Hey guys, welcome to Foreclosure Fundamentals.
That's right. Welcome back. And if you've gotten this far,
You're going to do well. Let's go.
all right. So it's so important to cover the fundamentals.
Yes.
Why is it so important to cover those fundamentals, Louis?
Wow, look, just like a mechanic needs all his fundamentals, he needs his tools to operate, right? A doctor needs his stuff to operate, his assistants to operate. This is, fundamentals. You gotta have these things to be successful.
Yes, you gotta know
to
how it
close.
works.
You gotta be able to close, right?
Yes.
If you don't have the components to close, you're not closing.
Yes, and you got to understand the main fundamentals. So here we go. So the key terms and definitions is where we're going to go over. We're going to go over the pre-foreclosure process. We're going to go over the hardships leading to foreclosure, personal impact of foreclosure,
Let's go.
market impact of foreclosures, and
Wow.
the anatomy of a mortgage.
Wow. Okay,
So we're
let's
going to
go.
understand these ingredients, right?
I love it. I love it.
Yes. So
You know what, look, let me just stop you there, because when you understand the ingredients, the conversation flows. It is like, man, it's like a dance, right? You're on the phone and you understand the systems and what you're doing.
that's right.
Man, it's amazing. I love having those
Then
conversations.
you can focus on listening, right? And you're not focusing so much on,
Very important.
did I miss something on a checklist?
Very important that you really have to listen, right?
Good.
Not so much talking, like typical.
That's right. So you want to understand the fundamentals and
Yes.
why are they important.
Yes, that's for sure.
So in doing that, we're going to go over understanding the foreclosure timelines.
Ooh, that's important. See, you know the foreclosure timelines, then that's like foreclosure 101 for sure, right?
Yes, you can. And a lot
but
of
remember, the people that
objections.
we're talking to don't understand the foreclosures, right? That's why they're calling and checking on us
Yes.
and asking us for advice
This is going to
and
help
looking
you.
for guidance, right? So
Yes.
timelines, 101.
Timelines. Oh, it's going to help you avoid a lot of costly mistakes that we've made, right?
Oh,
So-
crash and burns, but we're still in the trenches,
Yes, that's
right?
right.
That's the difference between us and everybody else.
Right. So then we're going to master financial literacy.
Yes, I love it.
Surprising how many agents haven't mastered that. So it's really good
Yep.
that you are going to be mastering that.
Yep,
We're going to go over laws, regulations, and compliance.
perfect.
Reminder
You
that
need to
every
know
state
those.
is different.
Every state is different. Do the research, right? We do the
Yes.
research every time we open up a different state.
Correct. Then we're going to do strategizing, mitigating solutions.
I'm going to go back real quick, and we know the states that are doing well.
Ooh. Okay, you're going to find out. So then
Yes.
we're going to go over closing more deals.
Who doesn't want to close more deals? Once again, more deals closed, more profits, guys, right?
And dominating your competition. So
Yes, dominate your
you're
competition.
not going to be that typical agent.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Rock and roll time.